Hello everybody, welcome back to the Delfín channel. My name is Forrest Tyler, the Delfín trainer here in the beautiful city of Bucaramanga, Colombia. Today we are going to talk about taking care of your machine and maintenance of your machine. Taking care of your machine, cups, devices, and hoses are very important in the life and longevity of your machine. To clean your machine itself, use a damp, soft towel and store it in a safe place to avoid excessive dust particles entering. Never use a spray bottle or stick anything inside of your machine. The cups can be washed with a non-abrasive antibacterial soap and a smooth cloth, and/or sterilized under a UV lighting system. Please be careful also not to drop your machine or cups, as this too can cause damage to the machine or the cups to break. Follow the guidelines in your manual for the recommended maintenance of your machine to keep your warranty valid, and only have your machine serviced by a certified Delfín repair specialist. Thank you very much and have a great day.